back with just another quick DIY. I found these nice thick planks at the Dollar Tree, my favorite store, of course. And I decided that I needed some little shelves on my vanity, so I'm making some mini lac shelves for my vanity. Let's get into this video. Less than 30 minutes, y'all. Very quick, very easy. So y'all know Dollar Tree has really been stepping their game up. I feel like just about every time I go in a store, which it takes me to go in multiple stores to find different things, but I always check the craft section because their wood has really been improving. These shelves are very, very thick, and I got two different designs. One is this longer shelf, and it has the little hanging thread, and then I also have the shorter shelves. They are very thick and heavy, and they come with two shelves, but they also have the little string. Only thing I hate about them is the fact that they have the little holes, and I just didn't want to take the time to get any wood filler or anything like that, but I just decided to go ahead and use them. I mean, shit, why not? This plastic was giving me a hard time coming off, but I managed to get them all unwrapped so I could get this done. I think wrapping the shelves took the longest, I swear. I came across these cute little gems and their little glow lights, and I decided to try those out as well. So I went ahead and did one shelf. I didn't think I needed to record both. And plus I had to give me some more of the shorter pieces of wood. The first Dollar Tree I went to didn't have any, but the second one I went to, they was stacked up royally. Once again, my baby boy decides to make him a cameo into my video. Not wearing the appropriate clothes he should be wearing, but Mama's gonna continue with her video while I block him out. Y'all just be sure to like and subscribe. Please leave comments, y'all. This was a very quick DIY. All it took was to know the placement of the wood. I didn't do any measuring. I just kind of went eye to eye. I will say that the back pieces held up very good with the hot glue, but the shelves themselves, once I placed my things on there about 3 to 4 days afterwards, they did start to fall because of the hot glue. So I did get some Gorilla Wood glue and go in with them, and they are standing a lot better now. I still don't really like the wood glue. I'm going to be searching for some very tiny nails or screws, preferably screws that I can kind of put in the wood to make it last longer.
Take 50% off spring craft kits at Hobby Lobby. There's something everyone will enjoy, whether it's
I did have to use a lot of hot glue on both sides of the shelves just to make sure that they stay. I decided to use the hot glue because it does dry faster than the Gorilla Glue. So when I went back in with the Gorilla Glue, I did go ahead and add hot glue to the Gorilla Glue as well. The only downside of it is that when the Gorilla Glue dried, I can see the brown glue thanks to the hot glue, I'm guessing. But it doesn't really bother me. Once I painted the shelves white, I decided I could have went back and painted over the glue spots, but you can't really see it. Once my stuff is placed on the shelves, you can't see any of the glue parts, so I did not worry about it. I went on about my lovely business, and I am loving my shelves. And as you can see, the hot glue really held up pretty well. The only thing that I hated was the fact that once I put everything on there, they did start to fall. So I got this white glue from Walmart, and I love it because it is nice and thick, and I don't need too many coats. But I did have to go in with 2 coats. Then I ended up running out of it, and so it took like a bottle per shelf pretty much. So for my second bottle, I sent my daughter to the store to grab some, and she ended up grabbing a Snow White color. So that one was a little bit, I don't want to say whiter, but it gave more of a chalky kind of white. So I wasn't really feeling it, but after they dried, they blended in perfectly, and I couldn't tell at all. I was gonna try, well, I did try Dollar Tree's Crayola white glue. Guys, it is so watery and thin, and I put it on there, and it just kind of looked like I had some glue on the wood, and it was so disappointing. I don't know why I ever try Dollar Tree's paint, because it just does not give what I needed to give whenever I'm doing a DIY project. So I'm gonna stop wasting my $1.25, considering most of the Dollar Trees are starting to go up on their prices now. So I'm gonna stop wasting my money buying this paint from them, knowing that I'm not gonna like it and I'm not gonna use it. And I don't let my son use paint because, baby, he will have it everywhere. So him getting paint is just out of the question. I will stick with these these Walmart paints, because this Apple Barrel paint is very thick paint, and it comes in multiple colors, you guys. This little bottle is only like 53 cents, I believe. Can't beat that at all. They have some bigger bottles if you need bigger bottles. I should have got a bigger bottle, but I don't know. I just was not thinking that it was going to take as much paint as it did. But for me to appreciate my work, I wanted to go in with multiple coats of paint, because, yeah, sometimes I just get a little overboard with the perfectionist things and little details that no one else will notice, not even the camera. If I can see it, then it's going to bother me. But hey, it turned out very nice, and I'm loving them. And voila, what can I say? They are done. They are cute. They are even, and I think they're sturdy.
Don't pay attention
I
to my
thought they
baby,
were
y'all. There's
sturdy.
so much going on.
let me fix that. I thought they were sturdy, but they were not. These little gems, they are gorgeous. I didn't know exactly where to put them, so I was like, I could just drop them in a jar and put my makeup brushes in there. So wow, that's what I did. The jar is from Dollar Tree. Yes, yes. And each packet of gems came with a little light, but I decided to only use one light because there wasn't very many gems once I poured both of them into the jar. So I didn't use both lights. I didn't see the purpose. And I think I might get one more pack if I could find some, just so that, I don't know, the jar looks a little more full. I was expecting it to be a little fuller than it was, but it wasn't. The lights were very easy to use. All I had to do was twist them around, but as you can see, one of them wanted to give me a hard time, but the other came right on right away. So I ended up using the one that easily lit up. I don't turn them off because it's at the bottom, so I'm just gonna let them blink until the battery dies out, pretty much. And so far, it has been going for almost a week since I made this video, and I'm loving it. It also gives off a nice glow, so I can use it for like a little small nightlight as well. So that works out good as well. They are very, very cute. It gives off a little diamond gems that Dollar Tree usually carry that y'all have seen me use in a million of my videos. It gives me that little feel. There are 3 light settings. There's a blue, a red, and a green. And the reflection off of the gems is just gorgeous to me. And there we have it, my beautiful finished shelves stocked with their items. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because you know I enjoyed making it for you. I'll see you guys later. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye, loves.